What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today we're gonna make chicken and biscuits.
Alright, family, for today's chicken and biscuits, we have some spelt flour, cane sugar, baking soda, a little baking powder, and some pink Himalayan salt. Alright, family, so you know I'm vegan and I can't use actual buttermilk. So to make a vegan buttermilk, all you need to do is get some plant-based milk, add some
Apple cider vinegar and mix.
For this biscuit recipe, guys, you gotta work very fast because remember, your hands will melt the vegan butter. All right, guys, come on, let's go. All right, family, so now let's mix all our dry ingredients so we can add our butter. All right, family, so now we're gonna add our vegan butter and we're gonna mix it until it feels almost like wet sand or cornmeal. All right, family. So now we're gonna add some more butter. So we're gonna fold it in. We're not gonna smash it. Make sure your butter is very cold. If it's not cold, it won't be flaky, guys. If you are receiving value in this recipe video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Alright, family, so now we're gonna add our buttermilk and we're gonna continue to fold, and we're not gonna add in the whole thing of this buttermilk, but we're gonna add it as we go and just keep folding it in because you might not need that much. Alright, family, so get you some spelt flour or flour, whatever you have, and we're gonna add some on our board like so. Now we're gonna add our biscuit dough. Now we're gonna make it into a square. Alright, guys, so you don't want a hard biscuit, so you got to be very careful. You don't need a rolling pin. Sure that everything is incorporated, all right, but you don't want to do this too much because remember, your hands are warm. You don't want that butter to melt, and you want these biscuits to be nice and flaky. All right, family. All right, family, if you don't have a round cutter in your kitchen, you could use anything just to do this method. All right, you're gonna dip this in some flour like so, and then you're gonna push it down to make a biscuit. Spray your pan with some baking spray and then add your biscuit. Alright, family, for the final step, you need your egg wash. Alright, I'm gonna just use my spray and I'm gonna just spray the top. You want to bake these babies for 15 to 20 minutes at 400 degrees in your air fryer or oven. Alright, family, Vegan King's biscuits is finally ready. Alright, family, the moment you have been waiting for. Now let's make our banana blossom fried chicken. Alright, guys, I'm going to be using this banana blossom in the glass jar, which you could get at H Mart for our fried chicken. Alright, family, so I'm going to add my banana blossoms to this glass bowl. I already drained it. All right, guys, so simple and so easy. I'm gonna teach you guys step by step how to make your vegan fried chicken. All right, family, so what we're gonna do first is season our banana blossom. So I got some seasoning here that I made, and I'm gonna just sprinkle that nicely into this glass bowl. All right, so we could get that nice chicken flavor. You could use Trader Joe's chicken seasoning, or you could make up your own or use anything that you have in your cabinet. Just make sure it's vegan. We're gonna rub that in nicely. All right, look at that. Make sure all of that seasoning is in there, and I'm squeezing them so that it could get flattened to resemble chicken. All right, family, look at that. All right, so we're gonna marinate this for about 10 to 20 minutes. All right, and then we're gonna add the flour so we could begin to fry. All right, family, so now we're gonna get our banana blossoms and we're gonna flatten it, right? We're gonna flatten it so we could make it nice and flat, and we're gonna put it into our flour mixture. All right, family, so squeeze your banana blossom. You're gonna see the water start to come out from the banana blossom, and you're just gonna put all that flour on top of it, all right, so it could adhere nicely. All right, squeeze it and then put some of that flour on there, and then we're gonna begin to fry. All right, family, so now let's fry.
It's finally ready, family. I made chicken and biscuits. Now let's go for a bite. Guys, I can't believe how this looks just like chicken. Look at this, family. Run to the store, get you some banana blossoms, and make you some fried chicken. Now, let's try this biscuit. The full recipe is on veganworld.com. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you next week. Peace.